Hi, this is Miss S. Marias, your school librarian, and in this brief tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can access and use one of the library databases, JSTOR. So we start at the school homepage and we go to Parent-Student Login. Then we go to Student Life, Library Media Tech Center. We scroll down, we go to Library. Then GWA Library Hub, which is the newly constructed library website. It's still under construction. We'll still add in more resources to help you with your research and your projects. So from there, to the home page, we go to the second page, Research. And now we can find JSTOR. So we'll log into JSTOR with your school Gmail, log in with Google. And see the JSTOR homepage, we have the basic search and we have the advanced search. Let's use first the basic search. I'm looking for anything by Frankenstein, and I click search. I have way more results, 18 or 19,000 results. So I want to narrow this down a little bit. So I can either use the limiters on the left, these options, you can use this option to limit your search, or you can also use the advanced search. I want to look for Frankenstein, again, the same keyword, I'm keeping that same one. And I add the keyword monster. And I keep the all fields, and also again here I'm looking in all fields. I want to see results I can access, not all content. You can also narrow down by the articles. I want to see only articles, journals. We can limit by the language. I want to see language English. Well, for the publication date, you can open it up a little bit in literature, because there are many literary critics written about Frankenstein, but I like to have access to more recent articles, so I will narrow it down, let's say the year 2000 to 2020. I don't have a book title or a journal title. I don't have an ISBN. You can limit your results by disciplines. By the way, there are, I believe, 75 disciplines in JSTOR. But I want to limit by literature. I'm looking for the letter L, language and literature. Okay, here. And I submit my search. And it already went down to 85, 156.50 result, which is not bad at all. So we can scan the results you can see here, the first results. You can open the article to read more about the journal article. You can download this article in a PDF. You can save it in your account. And there is also a cool option you can use is to cite this article. If you want to use the citation in JSTOR, we have the MLA one. You can copy this citation and paste it in your bibliography, or paste it in a Google Doc if you want. And you can also use the export citation. We have the option to export to Noodle Tools. We have this platform in our school that you can export the citation to. So this is how you can access JSTOR, and this is how you can view and find articles in JSTOR. So thank you for watching.